Hello folks, this is 2022 October-November paper 1-1 and the question number is 33. The question is concerned with chapter connectivity. It says a copper wire is to be replaced by an aluminum alloy wire of same length, so L same, and resistance, so R is also same. Copper has half the resistivity of the alloy, so that means the resistivity of copper is equal to rho of alloy by 2, half of that of alloy. So what is the ratio of the diameter of copper wire, alloy or wire, to the diameter of copper wire? So let us find the relation between them. So we know that R is equal to rho L by A, where A is the cross section. And if I change that into diameter forms, it should be equal to 4 rho L by pi d squared. So A is pi d squared by 4. That 4 goes up, so it becomes 4 rho L by pi d squared. So this gives us d square is equal to 4 rho L by pi into R. So now this gives me, so diameter of alloy square is equal to 4 rho of alloy L by pi into R. Diameter of copper square is equal to 4 rho of copper L by pi into R. So now if I have to take their ratios, it will be equal to, so we have got a diameter alloy square by diameter of copper square is equal to, so this thing by this thing by this thing, so it should be equal to 4 rho Al by pi R divided 4 rho C L by pi R. All of them cancel, escape to accept this rho A by rho C. So we are given here rho C equal to rho A by 2, so it's equal to rho A by 2, which will be equal to 2. So this ultimately gives us, so diameter A by diameter C will be equal to root of 2. So the square is equal to 2, is equal to root 2. So by going through the answer, the right choice becomes choice number A. So the correct choice is choice number A.